Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And today is where I am wrapping up my summer bucket list for 2019. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch that. Though I'm going to wrap it up. I kind of failed it because things went wrong or changed through my life through the summer, so I'm going to go through it anyway with you now. I kind of failed. I did over half. I did just over half. I probably did like 3/4 even, because there's a lot of ticks on here, but I'm going to go through it in order of what I did it really. And I did film some clips. Some of it feels like ages ago, so it's crazy. Anyway, I've lost 2 granddads in between this time as well, so things have got in the way to allow me to not do some of these things, and some of them have changed. So on July the 4th, I went to a local street food market with my dad after work, and I do have video footage of this, so you'll obviously see this as this goes on. And so there was various stalls. It wasn't as big as I thought it would be, and I thought it'd be more amazing because of the people that go to it all the time, how they like rate it. I really did think that it'd be more than what it is, what was there, but apparently the food changes each month. Anyway, there was churros, barbecue, American, Turkish possibly, or was it just lots of barbecue, Asian, and no, it was chocolate brownies was the other one, and then there was like a drink stall. Anyway, so me and my dad looked around it all, and we had dim sum. Now I just had ordered chicken dim sum, and my dad had the mighty meat dim sum. However, when we got it, you got like a token that you took away, and then 10 minutes later you went back for it because it was cooked fresh there. It ended up that I got the mighty meat one and my dad got the chicken one, but we kind of split it up a bit because mine was really spicy. Well, it wasn't mine, it was my dad's. It was really spicy, and some of the meats obviously I don't eat, but it was really nice anyway, and I would probably have that again, but I'd probably go for the mighty... Would I go for the mighty meat or the chicken? I'm not sure, or maybe I'd go for a mixture like the mighty meat was. Then I had 3 churros from the churro store with a vegan toffee sauce, and that was amazing. I must admit it was really hard to eat because I ate it in the car on the way home, and my dad had the roof down and it was really windy through the country lanes, but nevertheless I ate it, didn't get it in his new car, so yeah, that was fine. I hope I've got this in order because I haven't put the dates on some of them. So anyway, so that was to go to a street food market, so I did that. And then the next one I managed to accomplish was go to the theatre. I went to see Aladdin. Some of these obviously I have weekend vlogged as well, so if you want to go check them out you can. They're in my weekend vlogs. I will try put them in the information card, but I never remember to do it. I will try my best to do it for you. This is going to take a lot of editing, so we went to see Aladdin on July the 6th, and that was really good. It's finished now, so you can't go see it in London. It was finishing pretty much a couple of weeks after we went, but because I love Aladdin as a child, it was really nice to actually see a production of it that I knew the story to. I always struggle when it's a new story to me to actually enjoy it because I have to concentrate so much. But I really enjoyed Aladdin, but obviously it's closed now, you can't go see it, sorry. Then on July the 12th, I went to the wholesalers because it was my grandma's birthday, and we went to pick up some lovely flowers, so I made her the massive fish bowl, and I also had some orders that I needed to do. And that was really nice to go there actually, and I'm pretty sure I can go every other Wednesday and every other, so alternative Wednesdays or Fridays. So basically I think this week coming is a Wednesday, so as this video comes out I might have gone like today, but I don't know if I am or not, it all depends. But they had really nice flowers, they had absolutely everything there, and it was reasonable price too. You get so many beautiful flowers from there, like fresh flowers, and those like fake silk flowers too, in like bags and glass bowls, everything. In fact, they've got cactus there as well, I just remembered that. Okay, on July the 20th, which I believe was a Saturday, I hosted a afternoon tea for one of my best friends, but little girl's 4th birthday. So it was Nellie's birthday party. So I had a group of 8, I believe, or 7 I think, and we made unicorn and dinosaur dream catchers, and we made a necklace and a bracelet. And obviously there was one boy, so I just got him dinosaur themed, like a mask and like a little letter, decoupage letter. He needed that for himself, and he really enjoyed it too. And his mum was super grateful that I had done something different for him and that he still feel a part of it. And he loved, like, with the cups and saucers. Obviously I've got my china cups and saucers and everything, but I really enjoyed doing that and I want to do more in the future. Then July the 26th, I went to the lavender fields. That was a Friday night. We went after work and it was beautiful. If you have a chance to go to a lavender fields in the summer, please do, because it's just literally rows of purple everywhere. It's beautiful and you can cut what you want. I think it was £6 for a bag, and the bag was like A5 size. It was like this size, maybe slightly bigger, and you literally filled it up to the brim. And I've still got my lavender now. It's drying out, so I really want to make essential oils out of it, but I haven't managed to get there yet. But it is beautiful and it's worth going for the £6 for the amount of lavender you do. And then I did some floristry out of it as well. Then on the 3rd of August, which actually might be my best thing I've done this summer, though there's a few things that I really enjoyed, and that was Fern Cotton's Happy Place Festival. Again, there is a vlog on that. If you want to go watch it, I will try put it in the information card, but who knows if it gets there. If not, it is back in my lifestyle videos, and that is in my lifestyle playlist even. So Happy Place is all about, it's all me basically. So it's all about self-care, yoga, meditation, like how people are happy, like podcasts, because you know I obviously listen to Fern Cotton's podcast quite often, and it was just a fun day out. We listened to various podcasts and like live talks. We went through all the stores. There was amazing stores there, and there was amazing like freebies and everything about it was amazing, and I definitely want to go again, hoping possibly to go this summer, but it all depends. Okay, then on the 18th of August, I took a weekend away with a girl, and she was my friend, and we went to Woodbridge in Suffolk, and we went to Goga. It was really fun. It was disappointing because it rained. So goats are scared of rain, so we couldn't get into the full hour, or no, what, 90 minutes or 75 minutes it was, or something like that. So we didn't get into the full swing of Goga, but it was fun nevertheless. And I was scared of goats and still am slightly, so it was a really good experience. And we milked the goats as well as did yoga with them, and they just run round and roam around you while you're doing yoga. But obviously when it rained they were too scared, so they wanted to go hide, so we had to cancel basically. Then on the 26th of August, I baked salted caramel brownies. I got a mixture pack, you know, like the boxes of mixture. I got that from Asda, and I can't remember the brand. I can't remember, but they were amazing. If I can find the brand, I'll let you know. But they were so good, and my mum then made some the other week, but not salted caramel ones, and they just weren't as good. So these were amazing. You should get them if you want. Okay, then on the 23rd of August, I tried something new, and I'm still trying that something new. I can't actually tell you yet about my something new because it's really personal and private for me at the minute, and there's been a few like complications in the way, or like stuff that's stopping me to proceed further with it. So for now we're in a bit of limbo, but I have been several times to this and will be going several more times in the near future, and then one day I will share it with you. That's all I've written down, but I know I've done other stuff. So a lot happened on holiday actually. So then on September the 9th or 10th, I went on holiday to Cos and I got a tan. It doesn't look like I've got a tan now because it was the least tan I've ever got in my life, except when I go like on holiday in the rain. But I've got one. I've got like bikini lines still, but nevertheless the rest has kind of faded. So I got a tan. I walked along the beach on holiday. That was beautiful. I stargazed. I had a bit of trouble on holiday, or something wasn't meant to happen that happened, and so I stargazed one night, and my granddad, both my granddads are now a star, but Grandad Dave is what we called to the children a star, and so they are, he came out that night with me and you could see him in the sky more than ever, and you could just see this shining star looking down at me, so I stargazed. Obviously I went abroad, and then to wrap it up, I've spent lots of time with my family and friends this summer, which is what I wanted to do, and I really enjoyed all the time spent with them. Even like last weekend, I literally was going over to my friends for a couple of hours, but I ended up being there for 6 hours, and it was the most amazing time. I just made the pumpkins with the kids and with her 2 girls, and then we played, we did loom bands and everything. It was just an amazing time. I just love spending time with my friends really, and my family. Obviously I've spent a lot of time with my family because 2 granddads have died in between and I'm a family girl. So the things I failed was make a time capsule, because I thought it would be good to do it more when Brexit's going on, which is the end of this month, but also my dad and my mum and dad refused to have it in their garden, so I think I'm going to put it in Grandma Mon's garden. I haven't asked her yet, so maybe not, but that's what I plan to. I didn't volunteer at a florist, which is actually something I really wanted to do and should have done, but my weekends were getting busier and busier with other things, so I didn't have a Saturday to do it on. However, I did sell 2 lots of flowers, and I am doing the flowers for my granddad's wake today. My grandma's asked me to do them, so, and I'm pushing to sell more anyway. I didn't write a message in the bottle because my something new is kind of caring and kind as well, so I've kind of wrapped that into that, though it is not going to be a message in a bottle, it's going to be a message somehow in my something new. I didn't go strawberry picking because there didn't seem much around of strawberry picking, and I didn't go to the outdoor cinema because it didn't happen as much this year. Like, nobody was going, I didn't see any films out that sounded good or looked good for me to go and see, and I didn't let go of a floating lantern, because I don't think it's allowed in the UK, and I never got around to buying one because my money is tight at the moment. And that is everything I did on my bucket list and everything I didn't do on my bucket list. I'm sorry I didn't achieve it all, but I had an amazing summer. I experienced a lot of things that I wanted to do and have learned a lot, and my life has changed a lot too. Always be positive about things is my only thing, and do as much as you can. Try and achieve all your goals or your list, but if you don't, it doesn't matter. Look, out of my 20, say, I've achieved 14, so I'm pretty much at 3/4 done, so that's still a big accomplishment to me, and I'm grateful for all the opportunities I have had this summer to do all the things that I have. What is one thing that you did this summer? And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.